Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu sarikwa sendoda lesigogo bathini bathi bavula kuvala emzini yamadoda njengoba bengithembisile ngani zakwethu ukuthi ngizobuya futhi ngesihloko lesi lapho sikhuluma khona ngensila imali lapho sithi go deep ngeissue yensila imali. Gogo uyasidida manje wesalukwa sendoda ngazi noma usugugile noma kwenzakalani. Ukwakhuluma lana ngodaba lokuthi kunomehluko phakathi kwensila yemali nenhlanhla. Ayi yini ngathi lesinifo sibhemayo wesalukwa sendoda sesiyakudala noma usufaka emlonyeni. Ngani zakwethu umehluko phakathi kwensila yemali nenhlanhla mkhulu. Ngizonika umzekelo ngalela langa ngizonika umzekelo futhi. Lento ifana nokuthi umbuzo uthi wegogo right ke siyakuza esalukwa sendoda uthi kunomehluko phakathi kwensila yemali nenhlanhla. Siyakuzwa gogo. Silalela. But ke gogo ke nanku umbuzo. Uyihlukanisa kanjani inhlanhla nemali? Ngoba inhlanhla ayihlangene nemali. Kunabantu abangena egamini bangajimanga ngoba bane skill sokwenza izinto zenzeke egroundini ukudlula umuntu ojimile. Kunabantu abangastadishi kodwa baphase. Kunabantu abastadishayo and they do well eclassini throughout kodwa baphase at the end of the year. Kunabantu that are hard workers emsebenzini but promotion dololo. Kunabantu akazi ukuthi CV type kanjani but uhleza uthola umsebenzi. Wena usuyimaster yokwenza ama CVs but awusebenzi. That's why ngisho ukuthi there's a huge difference between imali nensila yemali. If you want luck, anybody can do luck. Anybody can give umuntu wenhlanhla o bavela bahleke o mavula kuvaliwe. Anybody can do that. Ningi imithi enhlanhla mhlambe nawe uyazi ngakini. But sikhuluma ngensila yemali that requires a special skilled individual who can do it, who can break through that lokuzana. Kini niyaziwa ngokuthi izinto kini ni right man. Babakho kwabonakala nepresident kini kanjani kini nokuvakashela o archbishops bani kini mani lokhuzana but you're struggling. Why? Because aninayo insila yemali. Izinto ayifiki kunina ngendlela okufanele ukuthi ifike ngayo. You work hard. You know you work hard. Everybody can see. Everybody, it's a witness yokuthi you are a hard worker. But the problem is one. When it comes month end, your salary does not cover the same budget like anybody else. Even if bangayibeka la ibudget umuntu but nami khokhela imoto ngesikilokuzana I pay the same pound, I buy the same amount of food and everything but yakho imali ayinele ukuthi wenze yonke into. Why? Because awunayo insila yemali. There's a huge difference ngani zakwethu. Don't mistake inhlanhla with insila yemali. We all born with our own special luck. But mhlambe unenhlanhla yamantombazana mhlambe lamajita lawa wena ayithande lamantombazana abama 6 pack mhlambe unenhlanhla yamadoda mhlambe unenhlanhla wena yokuthanda ama managers and everything athi umuntu ngizwana kabi ne manager yami but when it comes to money yo gogo ngathi ngiyamxosha gogo when it comes to money we can sit with my manager we discuss deep things izinto zakhe zase family and everything gogo when it comes to imali yanyiwa uyaliwa. What must I do gogo? One, you need to identify umuntu o specialize ngensila yemali. Two, you need to go and consult that person. When you call them, don't tell them what you want. Tell them that you like to come and consult with them. Three, give that person an opportunity to do izinto azikahle ukuthi imali uyivundulula kanjani kuwena. 4, go and do as you are told ukuthi njengoba usunensila imali this is how you must behave. Because ngani zakho ungaba nayo insila yemali, but if you are not committed in things that you are doing, money will never come to you. If you are not focused in what you are doing, money will never come to you. Salwa Sendot, Mavula Valemzi Namayamadot, 082-833-4063, 082-833-4063. Website is bathini-mbatha.co.za, bathini-mbatha.co.za, info@africanclinic.co.za, info@africanclinic.co.za. Nkosi Thulumus, Maluchu.